Boys and girls, today we will look at page 67 in our Planet Maths book. Today we will look at quarters. If you remember from the PowerPoint presentation on Monday, we saw that quarters were divided into 4 equal parts. If you look at the number 1/4, it's written 1/4. Remember, I had said the number on the bottom is the amount of pieces that it is divided up into, and the number on the top is the number of pieces you shade in. So for this question here, A, 1/4 of each picture has been drawn. Complete the pictures. So we know that quarters are divided into 4 parts. So if they've only drawn 1/4, which is this part here, 1 piece, we have to draw how many more quarters? 3. So 1 section is drawn for us. So I will try to do the first one here, which looks like a clock. So if I draw another quarter, it will look something like this. That's 2 quarters, and you will be able to do it better with your pencil. Another quarter would look something like this. That's 3 quarters, and I have to draw 1 more quarter to make 4 quarters. You can fill in your numbers then on the clock. So we will have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we have 12. You can draw the other 3 quarters of each shape here. Section B, pizza quarters. This pizza is divided into quarters and has 4 parts in quarters. If you look at section A, this pizza has been cut into how many parts? So you just count the amount of parts in this pizza. Section B, each part is 1/4, or how do you write 1/4? 1/, how many pieces there are. C, color 1/4 red, like tomatoes, so you will need your coloring pencils. Color 1/4 yellow, like cheese, and color 1/4 yellow and red. Question 2, if you look at this pizza here. This pizza has been cut into how many parts? Again, we're looking at quarters. So you count the parts and write in the number in the box. Color in 3 parts. So you will color in any 3 parts of the pizza. Write this as a fraction. So if you color in 3 parts of the pizza, remember I said the number on top is the amount you shade in, and then the number that goes on the bottom is the amount of pieces that there are altogether. D, how many quarters are left? So if you've colored in 3 quarters, how many quarters are left? Section E, draw your favorite topping on the pizza. Part C, color half of the smiley faces. So first of all, if you go over to this side here, there are something faces. So you count the faces and write the number in the first box. Then you have to color half of the smiley faces. Half of 6 is, so if you remember, like yesterday's lesson when we looked at the apples, there were also 6 apples, and we're looking at halves again. So if you divide these 6 apples between 2 people, how many smiley faces would you get each? And the last one, color 1/4 of the faces. So if you look at these boxes over here, there are something faces. So you're going to count the faces, write the number in the box. Then you have to find out 1/4 of 8 is. So 1/4 of 8. So if you look at your 8 faces here, if you're dividing them up into quarters, that means you have to divide them between 4 people, the number on the bottom. So If you think of boys and girls in your class, or maybe someone you sit with on your table, if you divide all of these smiley faces between 4 people. So an example, 1 for Caoimhe, 1 for Daniel, 1 for Ella, 1 for Rhys. And divide them again, 1 for Caoimhe, 1 for Daniel, 1 for Ella, and 1 for Rhys. So I've divided the smiley faces between 4 boys and girls in our class. So how many faces did each person get? And your answer is the amount of faces you will colour in. Best of luck.